Math 7, Lesson 7.10, Sales Tax and Tips. The amount of tax added to the original price is called the sales tax. The total cost is the sum of the marked price, whatever it cost, and the sales tax. So sales tax equals the sales tax rate, so what percent of tax is it, times the marked price. What was the cost of it? So let's say, for example, the sales tax is 10% and the marked price is $30. Then you're going to times 10%, we're going to turn that into a decimal, times the $30, and that's going to give us the amount of sales tax that it is, the cost of the tax. And then the tip amount is going to be the same thing. So a tip amount is the percentage of the tip. So let's just say the tip is, we're going to leave a 20% tip, and the original cost is, let's say, $15. Then the tip amount is going to be the 20% times the $15. That's going to be the amount of tip we would pay on, let's just say, a food item. So let's take a look at this problem right here. A sweater costs $29.95, but the sales tax rate is 6%. What is the total cost? So we're going to first use use an equation. T equals, that's what is going to represent our sales tax. So if we want to find the amount of sales tax, we'd take 6% of the original cost. We're going to change our percent to a decimal, so then it's going to look like that. Multiply it together, and then because it's money, we need to round to the nearest cent. So our sales tax is going to be $1.80. Our original price was $29.95, and then we have to add the tax. So our total cost is going to be $31.75. That's one way to do it, using an equation. Another way to do it is to use a proportion. So the proportion is going to be the tax over the original amount, and then the percentage of sales tax. So it's 6%, which would be 6 over 100. And then we're going to cross multiply, which is what we have right here, and then cross multiply that. Multiply it together, and then divide by 100. So we're going to get the same amount, and then we have to change that to money, so we're going to have to round it. So it's $1.80, add it to our original amount, and it's going to be $31.75. So it's the same answer, obviously, for both, but different ways of doing it. Let's take a look at number 1 right here. What is the sales tax on a rug that cost $450 with a 7% sales tax rate? So we're going to set this up into an equation. So we have our formula would be, we want to take our it's going to be 7% of the original amount. So we're going to turn our 7% into a decimal. Of means multiply, 450. And when we multiply that out, we get $31.50. So the sales tax is going to be $31.50. Take a look at number 2. What is the total cost of a dresser? That costs $900 with a 3.5% sales tax rate. So we're going to do it the same way, in that we're going to take our 3.5% and turn that into a decimal. Move it over 2 place values, 1, 2. So it's going to be 0.035. That's going to be our tax rate. We're going to multiply, it's 3.5% of 900. So we are going to take our tax rate times our original amount, multiply this out, and this is going to be the sales tax. So it's going to be $31.50. That's our sales tax. And now we want to know the total cost. So we have to, this is how much we're paying for it, plus the tax. So the total cost we're going to pay for this item is going to be $931.50. Let's take a look at some more examples. We're going to find the sales tax. Remember, sales tax equals the sales tax rate times the marked price. And so number one, a plane ticket costs $400, I wish it costs $4, $443, and the sales tax rate is 8%. So we want to find the sales tax. How much sales tax are we paying? So we take the market cost, which is $443, and we times it by the tax rate. So we're going to first turn this 8% into a decimal. So it's going to be 0.08. So we're going to multiply it by 0.08. And this is going to give us the sales tax rate, how much sales tax it is. And that's going to be $35.44. So if we were paying $443 for a ticket, we would also have to pay $35.44 more for the tax. Number three, now we want to find the total cost. And so remember that the total cost is the sales tax, like we just found here, plus the original price. So a marked price is $536, and the sales tax rate is 7.5. So again, we're going to turn this into a decimal, moving it over to place values. And we're going to multiply these together. It's 7.5% of $536. So 0.075, and multiply those together. And we get $40.20. Now that is our sales tax. And now we want to find out what our total cost is. So we take our original price, we add on our sales tax, and this is going to give us our total price. So that is going to then be, the total cost is going to be $576.20. So if you think of it like real life, whenever you go in and buy something in a store, let's say, you're going to pay for whatever it is. Let's just say you take it off the shelf, it's $20. You're going to pay that when you go to the cash register, you're going to pay that $20 plus the tax rate for whatever city you're in. And that's going to be added on to your $20 for your total amount. Same thing we're doing here. I'm just showing you how to actually do that. So number 5, our marked price is $12.75, and our tax rate is 4.5% of the $12.75. So again, we're going to turn this into a decimal. Multiply it together, and we have, let's see, that is going to be 0.5735, which that's not money. So we have to put it into money form, which means we have to round it to 2 place values. So it's going to be 57 cents. Or we can look at it like 0.57. Add that to our original amount. And that's going to give us a total of $13.32 is what we would pay for that $12.75 item. Let's take a look at number 7. and we want to find the total cost after tip. So we're going to do tip now. And remember, the total cost is the tip amount plus the original price. So we're doing it exactly the same way that we would be doing a a sales tax. We do tip the exact same way. So on number 7, again, we want to find total cost. So we want to find what is the tip amount. So it's going to be $63.15 times the tip, which is 20% of the $63.15. We're going to turn that into a decimal and multiply that together. That's $12.63. That's the tip that we're paying. This is tip. So now we have to add that onto the original cost. So $63.15 plus the tip amount is going to give us the total cost of our bill. So that would be $75.78. Not a cheap meal. Number 9 is the bill was $35.22 and you left a 20% tip, and we want to find the total cost. So again, our tip we have to change into a decimal, and so it's going to be $35.22 and 20% of that amount, and that would be $7.44. We've got to turn that into money, which is 2 place values, so it's going to be $7.04. So it's going to be our original amount plus the $7.04. So our total bill is going to come to $42.26.